Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD pound dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the forecast chart of US dollar currency index DXY, and as you all know, the DXY was unstoppable yesterday and right now trading at 106.60. If you have watched my previous videos, then we were ready for this up move because I have been discussing in detail for the last couple of days that we have an ascending triangle pattern and there's a high chance of market breaking resistance and going up. So overall, it happened, and pairs like GBPUSD, Gold USD, Euro USD all were under pressure. And if we just try to analyze this portion of the chart now for today, then we can see that market is still very bullish. Okay. We can see a bullish flag pattern here, and bullish flag pattern is a trend continuation pattern. So as a result, there is a high chance that market will break the flag and start flying again. And in case market or DXY shows some sort of correction, then obviously the 105.60, which was previously resistance, will now be acting as the new support. So overall, DXY is very bullish. So it means that there will be pressure on GBP USD. My dear friend, if you love to trade on GBP USD, then you must be following the trend of the market right now. Do not forget, market has only one rule, and that is follow the trend. And following the trend of the market, okay, it is safe to look for sell positions only. Okay, so if you have already taken a buy position around this level, because this has been a key support level, 1.1900 to 1.1950, you can say. Okay, I told you about 1.1920, 1.1950, but you can see that the support level is still not gone yet. The support level is still valid, and the GBP USD is somehow trying to survive here. Okay, but considering the overall selling pressure on GBP USD, I will not recommend any buy position. But if you already have taken a buy position, be on the trade. But once you see, or if you see market breaking the support and going down, exit from the position immediately. After all, protection of capital should be your first priority. Okay, so what should be your strategy then? Strategy is simple: follow the trend. Okay, so as a result, there can be two strategies here. First of all, if market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, okay, there is a high chance that around 1.2000, around here, market will be facing some sort of resistance again. So if market tries to recover and reverses from 1.2000, you can take a sell position. That is your first strategy. And in case market fails to go up, and following the trend of the market, if we see a heavy breakdown and if DXY starts flying again, obviously we can take a sell position below 1.1900. If there is heavy selling in the market and if you see market going down again, we can take a sell position below 1.1900 again. Do not go against the trend of the market if you're new, if you're a beginner. Okay, following the trend of the market should be your only strategy as of now if you're a beginner. But if you have a considerable experience in the market, if you know to tackle positions, if you can tackle trend reversal and all, okay, then that's a different chapter. Okay, but as of now, follow the trend, and most importantly, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.